Let's talk about the latest launch Samsung smartphone Galaxy F16 5G with ripple glow effect. Design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with Super AMOLED display, with 6.7 inches Full HD+, water drop notch display, resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels, approximately 86% screen-to-body ratio, 19.5 to 9 aspect ratio, approximately 385 ppi pixel density, 800 nits high brightness mode, and with 90 Hz refresh rate. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel main camera with aperture 1.8, along with 5 megapixel ultra-wide angle camera with aperture 2.2, and with 2 megapixel macro camera with aperture 2.4. For selfies it has 13 megapixel centered punch hole front camera with aperture 2.0. Video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 15 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of One UI 7. Screen on top the device, and the company provides up to 6 years of major Android upgrades and up to 6 years of security updates. Under the hood the phone CPU is octa-core 2.4 GHz dual-core Cortex A76 plus 2 GHz hexa-core Cortex A55, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6300, 6 nanometer chipset, paired with Mali G57 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 4 GB, 6 GB, 8 GB of RAM, and 128 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1.5 TB hybrid micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.4 by 77.9 by 7.9 mm, and it weighs around 191 grams, and the color options, glam green, bling black, vibing blue colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 25-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. With Face Unlock, the connectivity option on the phone includes hybrid dual SIM 5G, dual band Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, Type-C headphone jack, USB Type-C charging port, and with IP54 dust protected and water resistant, and with NFC support. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Samsung Galaxy F16 5G has been priced for 4 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 13,499 Indian rupees, while 6 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 14,999 Indian rupees, while the 8 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 16,499 Indian rupees. Conclusion. So what do you guys think of this Samsung Galaxy F16 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.